This is public property. It's not private property.
This is private property. You need to leave.
This is public property.
Ma'am, it's not public property.
Yeah, this is public property. It's city.
Why are you taking pictures?
Because it's public property.
You need to leave.
This is public property, and I'm getting pictures and video. Can I get your name and badge number?
No. Go to the front. Go to the front office. You get my badge number right there. Yeah.
Hello YouTube. On today's episode of Know Your Rights, we will be covering a video from the YouTube channel 51550. Please take a moment and head over to their YouTube channel and show them some love by subscribing to their channel. Today's video took place on November 10th, 2020 in Detroit, Michigan. The auditor in today's video was doing a First Amendment audit of the 10th Precinct Police Department. While she was walking through the public parking lot, the auditor was confronted by a tyrant that wants to bark orders but refuses to give his name or badge number. Ultimately, the auditor is surrounded by multiple police officers for simply exercising her First Amendment right and filming the police station parking lot. Now, let's dive right into today's video and see how this plays out.
This is public property. This is not a restricted area. I can. Public property. Public property. It's not a restricted area. I can come on this property and take pictures and video. It's a First Amendment right, and it's lawful.
Young lady, my name is Sergeant Song. What's going on?
I'm taking pictures and video.
For?
I'm a journalist getting content for a story.
You're getting content for a story?
Yeah.
Okay, what kind
Pictures
of
and video of public property. And now public servants.
public service?
Now I'm taking pictures and video of public servants.
Okay. For what purpose?
Because it's a First Amendment right.
Yep. Young lady, you're on police department property.
Which is public property.
What can we do for you?
I didn't need anything. I'm just getting pictures and video of public property.
And why would you be doing that for?
To exercise my First Amendment right.
You got to come up with a little more than just your First Amendment
No, I
right,
don't.
because you're taking pictures of.
No, I don't.
You're taking pictures of could be detriment to health and safety of you, of the police department, of the citizens.
The cameras threaten someone's health.
You are if you're posting it online.
I mean, he's taking video of me. I don't feel like it's going to threaten my safety.
This is where I work. I can do what I want to do.
Yeah. This is public property. This is what I want to do.
Guys, back off. Back off. What can we do for you?
I didn't need anything.
Why are you coming up on police department property?
I told you.
This back here is not public
It's not
property.
a restricted area, and it is public property.
It is a restricted area where a scout
It is not. It's not a restricted area.
Young lady, what can we do for you?
I don't need anything.
Where's your car at?
Why would you want to know if I'm driving and if I have a car? What would you do that with that information exactly?
I can see that we're not getting too much anywhere. When you're taking videos of police department property, you got to have a reason for it.
I just want to jump in real quick and just quickly review the difference between public and private property. Property that is dedicated to public use is referred to as public property. The phrase can be used to describe the purpose for which the piece of property is utilized, as well as the nature of its ownership, owned collectively by the population of a state or city. This is in contrast to private property, which is owned by a single person or artificial institution, such as a company, that represents the financial interest of an individual. With all of that said, the police department is 100% public property. As long as there is no restricted area signs posted, any individual can film on said property, because this little thing called the First Amendment of the Constitution grants them this right.
I don't. It's a First Amendment right, and this is public property.
Okay. Ma'am, you're going to have to leave the location.
I'm walking around taking pictures and video of the property.
You're taking pictures of officers' cars, you're taking pictures of a whole bunch
I don't
of
know whose
stuff
car's
that
whose,
you
but
don't
it's
have.
public property, public view.
That's my point. You're taking pictures of officers' cars.
It
license
doesn't
plates.
matter. It's just public property.
You can't walk around the precinct taking pictures of officers' cars. Ma'am,
I can take pictures and video on public property. It's a
Ma'am,
First Amendment
I
right.
just watch you take a picture of an officer's car. You need to leave the location.
I don't know if any of these are officers'
That's
cars.
what my point is. You don't know which cars are which. You don't know if they're UC cars or you don't know if they're personal vehicle cars.
This is public property, and I'm exercising my First Amendment right to take pictures and video on public property of public property and anything that I can see from public view. That's the First Amendment. It's lawful, and it's a right.
Young lady, you're going to have to leave the property and not take pictures of officers' cars.
I can take pictures and video of anything on public property.
For my blotter, do you have a name, ma'am?
Huh?
What's your name?
I don't need to give you that information.
Yes, you do give it, 'cause
No, I
you're on
don't.
you're on
I'm not
public.
doing anything illegal.
You are doing something illegal by taking pictures of officers' cars.
The photography law. Could you
lady.
quote that photography law for me?
Young lady. I've been very cordial with you.
I've been cordial with you.
What is your name, ma'am?
I don't need to give you that information.
Then you're going to have to leave the location because I don't know who I'm talking to.
You don't need to. I'm just exercising the First Amendment right to take pictures and video of public property on public property.
For what purpose?
I told you.
You got journalist credentials?
Like what?
You got journalist credentials?
Like what?
Who do you work for?
I'm independent.
Do you have credentials?
I don't need to have credentials,
Ma'am.
sir.
Well, YouTube, I hope you liked today's video. And please remember and go over and check out 515050's YouTube channel and show them some love by subscribing to their channel. If you like this video and you want to see more videos like this one, please consider subscribing to my channel. Until the next episode of KYR News, stay safe out there.